You want to know where this awesome cliff cave is located? Stick around and find out. This episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we continue with our mission. Try to find something worth doing in every state. This week, we continue with Cave Month by going to Graham Cave State Park. But first, we head into Slabtown and check out the Slabtown Cliff Cave. Located just about 10 miles off of Highway 17 in the Twain National Forest. We're up in Slabtown. Gonna check out the Slabtown Cliff Cave above the Piney River. Got traveling truckies that are behind me. Christy up ahead of me. This is a pretty short hike, 5 minutes up, 5 minutes back, 10 minutes. Now the hike to the cliffs is relatively easy, with no elevation gain whatsoever. But once you get to the edge of the cliff and you see how high up you are, the view from up here, it's absolutely awe-inspiring. Now all trails will only take you to this point, which is on top of the bluff, and it's actually right above the cave. But if you want to get down inside the cave, you will have to take a pretty sketchy goat trail to get down inside. So the trail getting down here is super sketchy, super dangerous.
Back to the cliff.
Now I did stop filming at this point because you do need both hands and your wits about you to get down this cliffside. And I don't recommend you bring your kids or your dogs. If you do have physical handicap or not in good shape, I don't recommend this hike either. Now at first glance, this kind of looks like Goat Bluff down the Buffalo National River in Arkansas. But the big difference between these two is this hike is only about 10 minutes, when the one in Arkansas could be about 3 hours. This place is pretty awesome. It's worth the sketchy hike getting down here. Now this is definitely a hidden gem. This view rivals some of the best ones I've seen in my travels so far. With the Twain National Forest in the background and the Piney River down below, it was a pretty awesome view. I guess going up higher would probably be better. Did you go back up in here? Go back up in here? There's just kind of dead ends down there. You know, it wouldn't be something you want to crawl out of drunk, though.
Yeah, that's true too.
Or in the dark. Kind of thin down there. Now, as awesome as this place is, it is relatively unknown. But I do feel in the coming years, due to social media, this place will blow up. Kind of like Goat Bluff in Arkansas, or the Devil's Bridge down in Sedona, Arizona. Now our next stop takes us to Graham Cave State Park, which is said to be the place where they found more Native American artifacts than anywhere in the state of Missouri. It's conveniently located just a few minutes off of Interstate 70. So we're up at Graham Cave State Park here in Missouri. We're gonna do a short little hike to this pretty good sized cave I've been wanting to see for a while, but just haven't ever been in the area. So if you're new to this channel and you're not quite a fan yet, consider subscribing. We got plenty of great videos in over 20 states. If you are a fan, please let us know by writing "keep on hiking" in the comments. And as always, stick around till the end of the video. see where we go next week. It's not a long hike up here in just a couple of minutes, but it is a steep incline. And in case you were wondering, Graham Cave State Park is both wheelchair accessible and pet friendly. Now, even though there's not a lot to look at on the inside, as far as I can tell, this cave does have one of the best looking openings that I've seen on any cave. Unfortunately, it is caged off, but it is for a good reason. They got a lot of artifacts in there that they don't want people getting their hands on.
Well, it's not much fun.
So if you're interested in learning more about Missouri caves or cave locations, check out the playlist at the end of this video. That was it here for Graham Cave State Park. Super simple, super quick. In the next episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we continue with Cave Month by going down to Bennett Springs State Park, checking out some caves, a natural tunnel, and a waterfall arch. So if you found yourself liking this video and you want to see more, please like, share, subscribe. There's plenty on the channel, more on the way. Until next time, keep on hiking.